Hi guys, I'm Jacob, and today I'm going to show you 4 new releases from Christmas. The Avengers 3D 2012, Pac Man Party, Kirby Deluxe, and Super Monkey Ball Mania. So let's start with Super Monkey Ball Mania. This one is the PS4, and that game is rated everyone 10 and up. It's a pretty good game, but let me show you. Here's the side, and here's the back cover. Now let me show you the artwork on the discs. Oh, this one came loose. Some dust like this. This one's pretty good to me. And here we have one disc only of PS4, Super Monkey Ball Mania. That game is rated everyone 10 and up. Blu-ray disc from Sega. This is a pretty good game. And the 1 to 4 players in the PS4 has Super Monkey Ball Mania. Go bananas. The next one I'm going to show you is Kirby Deluxe for the Nintendo 3DS. This one is from 2014. Here's the front, and that game is rated E for everyone. Here's the side, and here's the back cover. Okay, there's no shrink wrapped, so let's open. Here it is. Here's the game card of Kirby Deluxe. Seems pretty cool. And Kirby Deluxe for the Nintendo 3DS, that's the same, just like Fire Emblem Awakening for the Nintendo 3DS. The next one I'm going to show you is Pac Man Party in 3D for the Nintendo 3DS. That game is rated E, and that game is from Namco. Here's the front. And Pac-Man, Woofa, Blinky, Clyde, Pinky, and it's Clyde, Blinky, Inky, and Pinky. With Padra and Roger. Here's the side. Pac Man Party 3DS. And here's the back cover. It's time for a 3D Pac Party. Join Pac-Man and his friends in an exciting 3D party game using touch and motion controls. And is local play only. And that game is rated E. Now let me show you the disc and the case. So here it is, one game card. It's pretty good to me. And Christmas. And Pac Man Party has 3 levels for the Nintendo 3DS. And that game is rated E for everyone. And that game is made by Namco. And the last one is the Avengers 2012 in 3D, 3 discs. There's Blu-ray, 3D, Blu-ray, and DVD. But the digital HD has music. Here's the front. The best superhero movie in the world. Here's the side. And here's the back cover. The Blu-ray is region free. Right here, ABC, and the DVD is region 1. Now let me show you the case and the disc and the artwork inside. So let's go and open this up, and let me show you, remove the shrink. And let me show you what it looks like inside. Here's the code, rewards code. Here's the rewards code. And here we have 3 discs, the Blu-ray. This one is the 3D and the DVD. The Blu-ray is region free and the DVD is region 1. Let me show you the back cover, the special features up close. An Avengers 2012 movie has English and digital HD. And that's all for this Christmas special. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is Jacob Darla signing off.